Hey guys, what's up? PROIRONFISTGAMER here, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Adobe Premiere 2018 for free on your PC. Well, as you can see, I usually use Vegas Pro 15 to edit my videos, and I wanted to step up. And I know Vegas Pro 15 is quite a able application too to edit videos, but I've seen many YouTubers use Adobe Premiere and I wanted to give it a shot too. So here's it. I'm shifting on it, and like if you wanted to download it, and here's the video. Go ahead and open the link in the description below and just press start download, and it's gonna download. It's just a 3.8 MB 3.4 MB file and shouldn't be taking long at all. And just go ahead and go on this website, copy the email address that they give you and hit Ctrl C, and like that's just to copy it. Just a minute, and yeah, it's recording. Just a cross check. Hit Ctrl C and it's just copied to a clipboard. That's just for, suppose like they'll be asking you for an email address and you don't want to give your real email address. Well, it's just totally up to you. So downloads, and here's the file. Double click and open it, and you will be needing WinRAR for this. I'll have a link to that in the description below too. And just drag this folder to the desktop, and there you go. Close it. You won't be needing any of these anymore, and double click on this, and there are going to be these files. Click on Creative Cloud Setup, hit yes just to allow administrator permission, and it's going to be taking a little bit of time, and usually a half an hour just to download Adobe Premiere. So I'll just be back after this is finished. So guys, like once you finish doing all of that processing stuff, just go ahead and enter any name. I don't recommend you putting your real name or anything like that, cause we aren't paying, and like this isn't a real account that we want to associate with it. So, and you remember this website that I just showed you a moment ago, like go on this website and just copy that email address. So once you copy the email address, just make any random passcode like how I am making. It took me many trial and errors to make one. So yeah. So guys, once you finish doing all of that stuff, like suppose putting all of your name, you're gonna be getting this agreement. Just go ahead and sign it, and just click I agree and all that stuff, and just give it some time to load, and it should just be greeting you to the homepage of Adobe Premiere. Means my bad, to the homepage of the Creative Cloud, which is now gonna just pop up. So guys, once you have just come on this page, go scroll down till you find Adobe Premiere, which is gonna be right there, the purple one. Just go ahead and click try. I'm just gonna just go ahead and click try, and then I just thought that was something sketchy over there. Then I just hit cancel, and then I found out that that was the only way of downloading it. So just go ahead and click on the blue button right there, like how I just now did, and just wait for it to download. And right there it should just be starting on top, and by default there will be another program that will be downloading, which is in the apps section. And just stop the download and cancel it, because your speeds won't be as good as it won't be that great, so it won't download fast. So if you want to download fast, just go ahead and stop the download, and after that's done, I'll just be back. So guys, like once that's finished downloading right there, it's gonna be looking like this: start trial. Make sure you do not press start trial. Go ahead and that's cracked that we downloaded. Just copy the first file, and then go ahead to this PC, and make sure you don't click trial. If you click, your whole hard work is just ruined. Go on program files, Adobe, and you'll go on the first option, and the file that we copied earlier, just drag it and drop over there. Hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or else just drag and drop it down. Just drag and drop it anywhere, like how I'm doing it like right now. It just took a few tries. I don't know why, but my mouse wasn't working probably. And right there, just replace the files, give it administrator permission, and you are good to go. You are running Adobe Premiere 2018 CC without any difficulties. Here, there you can see the icon. Just click on that, give it some time because it's the initial this is the first time it's running on your computer, so don't expect some great speeds when it starts. That'll be obvious, and give it some time to load, and around a minute or so, and you'll so right there you can see it just started. I just fast forwarded a bit. You can just choose if you want to start the trial, and I'll just give you a sneak peek that it really does work. So guys, well, if you wanted to see that Adobe Premiere does actually work, I'm just gonna show you right now. But before I want to show you one thing, that don't copy paste any of the sort of shortcuts that you like. Suppose if we just download it over here, program files, Adobe, and it's right here. And if you think like you can copy and paste it right there on your desktop, this won't work because it needs all of these files to run. So make sure you don't do that, because whenever you wanna make it, you wanna run it, just come over here and click. Also, another thing you can do is just drag and drop the whole Adobe my bad, Adobe Premiere folder to your desktop, and that's the way that's gonna help you with opening it. And here's it. Here's Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro working CC 2018. I'm just editing this video that you're right now watching. Here's the whole video. I'm just editing it right here, and yep, so it does work. This is not a scam, not a fraud, or any sort of thing like that. This method does actually work, and I'll have all the links in the description down below. Till then guys, PROIRONFISTGAMER here, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.